Hello, I'm Slavik from NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com, and today I'm here to talk about the North Shore Commercial Door 390GIV4 4-button keychain remote. The 390GIV4 features 4 buttons allowing to control up to 4 garage door openers. The transmitter operates Genie IntelliCode and overhead door Code Dodger garage openers. This easy-to-program remote features Program by Learn button on your operator. This transmitter remote comes with very simple packaging, and the keychain and battery is already pre-installed. It also comes with a clip that's removable. The included manual comes with operation and installation instructions, so keep it safe. The 390GIV4 keychain remote is designed and built very well. Now I will be showing you how to open and replace the battery in the transmitter. You will need to remove one Phillips screw and pry open the remote carefully. The remote features a standard CR2032 battery, and it has extended range built in. To replace the battery, just push the battery out and insert a new one. And there you have it, the multifunctional, small and sleek North Shore Commercial Door 390GIV4 transmitter remote. The 390GIV4 4-button remote is affordable, durable, and a great replacement or an addition to your existing one. Now, if you'd like to purchase one or have any other questions, please visit NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Thank you for watching.